So if you Google what's the biggest tyres you can get on a standard 3.5 ton Sprinter van with no lift kit, just bulk standard, Google will tell you, 2-wheel drive as well, Google will tell you that it's 235 by 85 by 16, right? So most of us trust Google, don't we? Let me show you what that looks like on your standard Sprinter van. So you think if they're the biggest tyres you can get on a standard Sprinter van, you'd think that they wouldn't rub. Turns out, Google is wrong. Turns out Google is very wrong. If you can hear that, that's the front wheel rubbing on the inner arch. But I don't care. So let me show you what's happening. These are so cool. But anyway, what it is, let's see if this works in the old camera. Oh, look at that. You see that there on the inner arch, plastic inner arch, it's rubbing on that, well, on that plastic inner arch. So as the wheels are going around, the knobbly tread on here is just catching on that. But only just, come on, focus, focus. Oh, it doesn't matter, you've seen it. So it's rubbing on that. So I think what I'm going to do is get some wheel spaces for these sick wheels. I think they'll be okay in the long run because it sounds terrible, but they are only just rubbing. So when Google tells you that they are the biggest tyres you can get on your van, I would probably think about going a little bit smaller, maybe 235 by 75s or 70s, most people go to, but I wanted to go big because why not? So as you can see, I haven't just done the tyres. These are Maxxis worm drive all-terrain tyres. I got them off eBay for 450 quid. They're delivered in good time, and the only disappointment is I wanted them with the white writing, but I'll get one of those fancy marker pen paint things and tie it up, but I fucking love it. The wheels, I took the wheels off. I'll cut in a picture now of what the van looked like when it was jacked up. It was so dodgy. I was going to make a video of the whole process and I thought I was just too excited, I just wanted to get it done, and it was dodgy, so take a look. But anyway, got the wheels back, got the wheels powder coated at Aero Coat in Norfolk and Great Yarmouth. If you want to get your own wheels powder coated, you can literally just turn up and they'll take them off for you, powder coat them and put them back on within a day or so. It's pretty good service. The centre caps, plastic centre caps, they are the original Sprinter centre caps that I had on here in the first place. Literally got some plastic primer from Halfords, and then I tied them up last weekend in the sunshine. Obviously the sunshine is now gone. So yeah, overall it's just tidied the van up so much. Look at it, look at it, oh my god, look at it. I don't need to clean, really needs a clean, but yeah, sick. So let me talk you through some of the other things I've been doing. Obviously I haven't posted a video in ages because I've just been stressing for content. I haven't really done too much on the van. I've been going away a lot, but nothing really interesting to film. So I'm desperate to make a van tour video. So I started to make a van tour video and I thought, no, the van doesn't look its best. So instead, I've been tightening up with the bodywork and just trying to make it look a lot better. Hence why the wheels have been done. I've also, as you can see, I've also done some like dodgy repair. There was like some rust spots you probably didn't notice that was sort of coming through the paint. So I've repaired all those and just chucked some white primer over top of them. It's all over the place here around the boiler flue. There's also a chunk in the sill here, do you see it? So I've treated all the rust and just gone over it with undercoat. I'm just going to P40 it with some filler. So this is all part of my grand plan to get the whole van painted. Tempted, very tempted to go Raptor, but there'll be more on that in the next few weeks. So don't get disheartened, I'm going to still make videos. The more sunshine we get, the more I'll get out in the van and the more videos I'll make. So look out for a van painting video, fingers crossed, and look out for a van tour. Then after that, loads of sick trips, and try and get back to making some videos because I have missed it. Anyway, sweet. Hope you enjoyed my little video. See you in the next one.